Hi guys, welcome to Professional Beauty India. 2024 is the largest trade expo and exhibition for beauty, cosmetics, hair and skin. So every year Mumbai is giving a great opportunity in hair, skin, makeup for all the artists in this beauty industry to come, to explore, to having their skills, to showing their skills, to having a great experience and a great platform to all of them in this Mumbai Nesco Center, and I just love it to go every year. So guys, I'm showing you this great opportunities expo exhibition of beauty industry, and this is something very amazing. Apart from that, you can see your many brands, and all brands are international, and this is one of my favorite brand. It is Roots, and it is professional brand for hairs and skin. I recommend you personally. I use, and in Mumbai there are stores of Roots. You can just have a look in Mumbai. Apart from that, here are the amazing hairstylists, and they are coming to Mumbai to show their skills, and there are variety of students to having a look and to upgrade their skills, to learn the skills, to upgrade their career in the beauty field. And they are the many of salons owner who are in touch, who are connected with the skins brand. Apart from that, I have seen here a fabulous makeup artist, and he is the one who has came from the another city to Mumbai. I salute Mumbai for each and everything that they are giving to a makeup artist, hairstylist in this beauty industry. Mumbai is giving a chance for those peoples as well, not only for the makeup artist whomsoever don't know about the makeup, they don't know any of the knowledge, but they are giving the chance to the people, to the audience, to come to visit, to learn the skills, absolute advanced techniques from the makeup artists, the hairstylists, the hairdressers. So don't worry guys, if you have missed this opportunity this year of 2024, next year is again this expo exhibition of beauty industry will be going to happen. कोई बात नहीं, जिन्होंने ये मिस किया है, आप next year इसे visit करना ज़रूर, and then you will get to know a hidden brands of beauty industry, the hidden brands of expo exhibition, why people going there, why people are rushing there to go, why people are interested to go and meet a huge personality inside, and why they are going there to have a get together with themselves. And here is the first day ended, and we are preparing for the next day to go inside and having a great exploring ideas. And the 1st October has came here, and I have just entered. So guys, this second day has came, 1st October 2024 beauty expo exhibition, the last day of this expo exhibition in Goregaon. And at the same day, and I wanted to go Bandra BKC as well for the Saudi spectacular event that was going on. आप लोगों ने मेरा vlog देखा है and बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद किया है. Thank you so much for that. Love you all guys. And मुझे 2 लोकेशन एक साथ कैप्चर करना था, गोरेगांव नेस्को सेंटर एक्सपो एग्जीबिशन and in evening Bandra BKC. So it was very tough, बहुत मुश्किल था बहुत, but नामुमकिन नहीं था. So I have done it, alhamdulillah, and I have captured the 2 location at the same day. आप लोग देख सकते हैं. So here is very popular brand Azba Beauty, very popular in the machineries of hairs and skin. उसके अलावा आपको आइकॉनिक मशीन्स में बहुत ज़्यादा डिस्काउंट्स थे, 30-40% डिस्काउंट. आई हैव done my shopping at iconic brand, and many of the women are crazy about iconic brands because those brands are very important in our vanities. So guys, just have a look in each and every sessions of ब्यूटी एक्सपो एग्जीबिशन. एंड एक और ब्रांड है जो कि बहुत ही पॉपुलर है. दिस वाज हाउस ऑफ ब्यूटी फ्रॉम सूरत, गुजरात, and I personally recommend you all people to use once. And this is a Europe Girl Cosmetic lip gloss जो कि मुझे बहुत पसंद आया था. It was a amazing color of Europe Girl Cosmetics. उसके अलावा he was a very amazing hairdresser and he was teaching all of them the skills of hairdressing. The way of his explaining was superb, fantastic. Many of the students are sitting there to learn how he is teaching them, and the teaching way is fabulous, amazing. So guys, ये बेनिफिट होती है जैसे कि हम ब्यूटी एक्सपो एग्जीबिशन में पार्ट लेते हैं. हम बहुत ही ऐसे बहुत फेमस आर्टिस्ट से मिलते हैं एंड हमें बहुत कुछ एक्सप्लोर करने का मौका मिलता है. हम एंगेज होते हैं बहुत ऐसे लोगों से जो कि अननोन तो होते हैं लेकिन हमें हमारी पर्सनल लाइफ में, हमारे करियर में बहुत ज़्यादा काम आते हैं. वन ऑफ द इंडियन मुंबई's ब्रांड्स इज SJ4, द इंडियन मेकअप कॉस्मेटिक ब्रांड. ये बहुत प्यारा ब्रांड है. एंड उसके अलावा यू कैन सी her, she is a Fiza Khan, a popular and very amazing person. I have met her and she is lovely, not only by face, by her nature as well. And I have met there many of the peoples around, and I have been at this day a great experience. मेरा experience बहुत प्यारा था and I was like very happy inside to meet all of them. So guys, thank you so much for watching my vlog. And then आप देख सकते हैं इसके बाद I went to BKC, the Saudi Spectacular event. And thank you so much for liking, for loving my channel and to subscribe it. Love you all.